Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make creamy delicious thick homemade yogurt without using any yogurt starter or culture. Yes, you heard me right. Hey, this is Dekas. Welcome back to another recipe video. To start our yogurt, we start by measuring our milk. Okay, I used 5 cups of milk. You can use 2 or 3 or even more than 5, but whenever you measure any quantity of cup, make sure you measure the same quantity of hot water. I used 5. I'm using 5 cups of hot water. When we add this hot water, we mix the milk thoroughly to get rid of the lumps in the milk. Okay, we want a smooth yogurt when we're done with our Greek yogurt. So when we're through, we're also going to sieve. We're going to sieve our milk. We want to get rid of any kind of lumps. We don't want it being in our milk, so we're going to sieve it out very well. I normally sieve like this, still use spoon to smoothen it. I want all that milk inside my mixture, my yogurt mixture and all that. So this is it about this part. Okay, you make sure. Remember, any measurement you're using, use the equal parts and you will get it perfectly well. I'll drop the measurement of this in the description so that you can do it the first time and get it right. So when you're done with mixing this very well thoroughly, we're going to also be adding in our room temperature water. Okay, we're not going to add room temperature water 5, we're going to add 3. Look at where the magic comes. This water we drained from the first yogurt we did with our starter. I store mine in the freezer. Anytime I want my yogurt, I bring it out. From this water now, I'm going to complete it into what? 2, making it 5. So I added room temperature water 3, and then I added this drained yogurt liquid 2. This makes your yogurt faster and you're sure. But before you have this water, you have to use a starter. I have a video, I'm going to drop it in the link. Go watch that video. Buy that starter you buy for 2,500 for 3,000, and that is the end you ever buy that starter. Or you can buy no sugar yogurt, natural yogurt. You can also use it in your to make your this thing ferment and all that. So when you're done with adding that water, you're going to cover with a towel or anything tight. Make sure it's tight, airtight container, then cover with your towel. I dedicated this towel for my yogurt, so I tie it and leave it for 12 to 14 hours or even less with this particular water. Then you open it up, guys. When you open it up, your yogurt is here. If you don't want a Greek yogurt, stop at this. You're going to stop at this. Are you seeing this yogurt, how thick it is? Guys, try this and come back to my comment section and thank me. Okay, are you seeing how this thick is? If you wanted just a yogurt, you just mix it very well and this is the yogurt, but no, we are doing our Greek yogurt. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to bring akamu sieve or chief sieve. This one, not the bag. Okay, this one is going to help you drain it very well and make it more thicker. So we're going to fold this sieve into 2, then pour our yogurt into it. We're going to gently tie. We're not going to forcefully tie it. If we forcefully tie it, the yogurt will be draining out from the sieve, which we don't want. So when we are done with tying this sieve, we're going to just drop it like 1 hour, 2 hours, depending on how thick you want your yogurt to be. Now we want all that water to be drained out, and then we have our very thick, creamy, delicious yogurt. Okay, so look at how the water that should be draining out should be. Okay, you just leave it. You can go once in a while and retighten it, and you now have your thick yogurt. And when you're done with this is the end. You're done with the yogurt, and then you put it in a plastic cover. And if you want to take it like a week, preferably store in your fridge. Okay, if you store in your freezer, if it stays long, you bring it out, water might enter inside, you have to start going all over the process. So the best place I think to store your yogurt is in your fridge. And then look at this yogurt, look at it guys. I've not put it in the freezer. You know, sometimes people put it in the freezer to thicken, but this particular one I've not put it. And remember, this water is like gold. Okay, you are assured, you're not scared whenever you're doing your yogurt that is going to form. And this is it. Whenever I'm done, I just put back this water and put it back into the freezer. What will I get without sharing these recipes that have become my favorite? Thank you so much guys for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you on the other video.